So now we've added two ideations for top premium sound. One focused on increase in store conversion rate and one focused on developing new offerings. We have also added two campaigns to the increase in store conversion rate ideation. One focused on payment solutions and one focused on value added services. The next step is to invite people to participate in these idea campaigns. It could be employees in the organization, customers, partners, or anyone else in our ecosystem that we think might have some good ideas. In the Ideation 360 platform, there are three different account types. We have the ideator account type, which see these 5 menu options. And these are people who come in to contribute with ideas and engage with other people's ideas. Then we have process owners. These are people who typically work with the different phases in the innovation process. They have access to the ideation view, which means they can set up and modify ideations, set up and modify campaigns, but also work with the ideas in terms of clustering, hypotheses, and experiments. And then we have the client admin account type. And they can manage users, so who has access to the platform, and the account subscription. So regardless of account type, we go to users, and here we have an overview of all the users in the system. So right now it's quite lonely for Hannah. We've added her colleague, David Fisher, as well. And now I'm going to show you how this is done. So we scroll down to users, and again we press the plus, and here we get two options. Import users, we pick if we are about to import many users. So we do this by setting a default password, and then we add an Excel file on the format that we have the first name in column A, the last name in column B, and email in column C. We can choose to automatically send a welcome email to this group, or we can communicate with them separately through email or in a meeting. And then we simply click import, and all those users are automatically added to the platform with their own accounts. If we only want to add individual users, we choose add user and simply fill in the details. So let's add Hannah's colleague Paras in the Singapore office at tps.com, and his title is operations, and we set the default password. Again, we can choose to send him an email with the credentials. So it will be sent from the Ideation 360 platform, simply saying that an account has been created and instructions how to log in. We can also choose if we want Paras to have admin access, process owner access, or simply be an ideator. So we'll add him as an ideator for now. And as you can see, it says maximum number of admins reach here. And this is because we are in the free tier. So we only have one admin account. If you need more accounts, you can upgrade to a subscription tier or reach out to learn more about our enterprise offering, which is customized and have some additional functionality needed when you work in a large organization. But for now, we remove this, and typical next step here is that you want to communicate with the users you've just added about what we're doing. So in the PDF tutorial, there is a template for how this invite email typically could look like if you didn't choose to invite them directly through the platform. And then it's time to see if we get any ideas and explore how to add ideas in the next tutorial.